First name is Anastasios, last name Polimenakos. They call me Tasso. I'm the physician here with CVI in South Carolina, location in Columbia, South Carolina. I'm actually a board certified cardiothoracic surgeon. I have an expertise in congenital and pediatric heart surgery, and also I'm board certified with general surgery. I believe it's a field that is expanding. There are a lot of potentials in the venous management arena, both at the superficial level, veins, and also at the central venous systems. I think it's a group that has national presence. I think it provides quality management and a cohesive environment. I think the philosophy comes from the group you join. Definitely, individual physicians can be providing some kind of additional edge to it. From the very beginning, when I started practicing, the most important for me is peace of mind that the families and patients feel during the care plan and the management of their disease process. We try to treat the families or patients like we treat our own families. So I think that's the most important. Another perspective, I think utilizing the best and the most sophisticated approaches to the treatment of the disease process that we manage. So I think that's another very important part of the expectations that at least I have from treating patients and introducing the care plan for the management of their venous disease. Every physician in each of these locations that they practice within CVR has a multifactorial involvement, both to be part of a well-functioning team. Second is to provide the environment for the families and patients that they feel content, and also to be able to be a trustworthy partner for the rest of the group in the environment that we practice right now in South Carolina. So I think it's multi-level and multifactorial. So I think for patients, the most important is to feel that they receive a customized quality care plan based on the expected standards, that we are accessible to them for any questions, and also to provide a peace of mind in terms of entrusting themselves and family members to our service. Referring providers, I think the most important is accessibility. So they should feel that they are part of the extensive network of physicians that they're partnering with CVR, so they can reach us anytime. We can reach them anytime. We can discuss a care plan for mutual patients, and also clarify potential questions that they might have in terms of how they want to manage their patients and how we can collaborate for the best interest of our patients, mutual patients, and their families.